Think managing diabetes means bland and boring meals? Think again. Discover the top 5 outrageously powerful veggies that will not only keep your blood sugar in check but also make your taste buds dance. Top 5 veggies for diabetics that will transform your health. Living with diabetes doesn't mean you have to sacrifice delicious and nutritious meals. In fact, certain vegetables are incredibly beneficial for managing blood sugar levels and promoting overall health. Here are the top 5 veggies every diabetic should include in their diet. 1. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green superstar that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's low in carbohydrates and has a negligible impact on blood sugar levels, making it an ideal choice for diabetics. Spinach is also rich in magnesium, which helps regulate blood sugar and insulin levels. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or lightly sautéed with garlic for a tasty and health-boosting dish. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's a nutritional powerhouse. It's high in fiber, which slows down the absorption of sugar and helps prevent blood sugar spikes. Broccoli also contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress. Roast it, steam it, or add it to stir fries for a versatile and diabetes-friendly meal. 3. Bell peppers. Bright and colorful bell peppers are not only visually appealing but also incredibly nutritious. They are low in carbs and high in vitamins A and C, which support immune function and overall health. Bell peppers also contain antioxidants that help combat inflammation, a common issue for diabetics. Slice them up for a crunchy snack, or add them to salads, omelets, or fajitas. 4. Asparagus. Asparagus is a delicious and low-calorie vegetable that's perfect for diabetics. It's rich in fiber and antioxidants, which help regulate blood sugar levels and protect against complications. Asparagus is also a good source of folate, which supports heart health. Grill, roast, or steam asparagus for a simple and nutritious side dish that pairs well with any meal. 5. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a versatile vegetable, technically a fruit, but commonly treated as a vegetable, that offer numerous health benefits for diabetics. They are low in carbs and have a low glycemic index, meaning they won't cause significant spikes in blood sugar levels. Tomatoes are also packed with lycopene, an antioxidant that helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Enjoy them fresh in salads, cooked in sauces, or as a base for soups. Including these top 5 veggies in your diet can make a significant difference in managing diabetes and improving overall health. They are not only nutritious but also delicious, proving that healthy eating can be both enjoyable and beneficial. Ready to take control of your diabetes with these incredible veggies? Subscribe to our channel for more tips and health insights to help you live your best life.